We're here today at Cluckingham Palace, and we're gonna meet the new residents. 40 little chicklets hatched just last week at the elementary school in their science class, and they donated the little chicklets to us. They're under the heating lamp, keeping nice and warm. Very busy. And the little ducklings, they done moved downstairs. And the doggies are curious as ever. They hear those little chicklets and they want to go in and check it out. But they are not allowed in there. Cluckingham Palace, the place to be.